JSON Alexander is a new browser extension created by our friend Wes Boss. For those unfamiliar, Wes Boss is on the syntax.fm team. He's been around basically the Laravel community forever. Of course, he's real big into CSS and JavaScript. But on X, he tweeted out, heads up, popular JSON formatter extension has started injecting geolocation tracking and donation UI into websites. And it's got a link to a Reddit thread. But because of that, he was like, well, I'll just make my own because, how hard could it be, right? We're developers. So this is what he created. It says, believe it or not, George formats JSON. And I love the play on Seinfeld. But all you have to do is clone this repo and then install it through your browser. So let me give you an example first off. So here is a JSON file loaded into the browser with no extensions. It's just, you can see it's kind of gross. It does, Brave at least has a pretty print option, which makes it a little better, but it's still not that good. So I've already cloned this, and now I'm gonna go install it to kind of give you a demo. So you're just gonna go open this Chrome extensions. Again, I'm using Brave. It's the same on Chrome, basically any Chromium browser. You're gonna switch on developer mode, load unpacked, pick the JSON Alexander dist directory, and that's it. Now it's installed. I can switch back over here, refresh, and there you go. You can see you get nicely formatted. You have a whole bunch of options here. You can do different levels. You can do a tree, you can do formatted, you can do raw, and you can even copy the JSON and light and dark mode. Based on his feed on X, he has submitted this to the Chrome Web Store, but hasn't been approved yet. So right now you have to do it manually by cloning the repo and installing it. But it's super simple. It's pretty awesome. It's great. And more than anything, I trust Wes, so it's something I'm going to install and use from now on and get rid of the other extension that I was using previously. So go check that out. We'll have the links in the description below, so check them out.